Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
So now we'll work on problem 92 from chapter 21. Here we're asked to name 4 compounds. So let's go ahead and write the first structure. CH3, CH, another CH, C, CH, so now we can put in our substituents. We have a methyl group here, a methyl here, and an ethyl here. So let's go ahead and number our carbon chain, starting from the double bond. Number our longest carbon chain, which is 7 carbons long. So we can write the positions of the substituents starting from the first alphabetically, which is the ethyl group. So we have 4-ethyl, then we have 4,5-dimethyl. We have the position of the double bond, which is 2, and then we have the length of the carbon chain, hept and ene for the alkene. That's the name for part A. For part B, we're given a benzene structure. So we have a bromine on top, and we have an ethyl group 2 carbons away. So we can name this in 2 ways based on numbering. We start from the first alphabetic substituent, which is bromine. Then we move to the ethyl group. And so we can say that the name is 1-bromo, 3-ethyl benzene. Or we can say that the ethyl and bromine are meta to each other, or M, bromoethyl benzene. Either is acceptable. For part C, we're given an ester. This ester is a little bit tricky because we have a substituent on one of the carbon chains, one of the alkyls groups. So what we need to do is go ahead and identify the 2 groups that we have. This group here is 5 carbons long and is connected to the double bond of the oxygen. So we call it pentanoate, P-E-N-T, for the 5 carbons and O8 for the ester. And let's go ahead and write in a substituent I forgot to put in. And this part here is the isopropyl group. So now we have to go ahead and figure out how we're going to account for this substituent. So we're going to go ahead and write in the first group that we would normally write. We normally write in this group here that's connected to the single bonded oxygen. So we put isopropyl. And then we name this side like we would name any other carboxylic acid or ester. So we put the position of the substituent, 3, and then the nature of the substituent, methyl, and then the name of the chain, pentanoate. So it's isopropyl 3-methyl pentanoate. Now we look at part D, where we're given a CH3, CH, CH2, double bond O, H, and CH3. So we want to start numbering our compound from the aldehyde group, which is what the double bond OH is. So when we name our compound, we put the location and nature of the substituent, 3-methyl, and then we write in the name of the chain, which would be butanal. Bute, because we have a 4-carbon chain, and ending with Al because we have an aldehyde.